हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ISI M.Tech CS का पेपर 2024 का. इट्स अ सैम्पल पेपर. सो you are a processor processor having a single level hierarchy with only one L1 cache at 95% hit rate. You have to redesign the cache hierarchy without the increasing effective memory access time using the smaller chapter L1 cache with the lower limit of these two, so that the access time is L2 cache should be no longer than half of the main memory. Okay, so to ensure that the EMAT thing here remains the same, so we need to ensure that the average access time is T to the L2 cache plus the miss penalty, time taken to access main memory in case of missing out both L1 and L2 caches does not exceed, this does not exceed means less than equal to the time of the mainframe. So TL2 plus miss penalty less than equal to half of the T main memory. And the first part done. Second is determine the minimal. Okay, so this is all given values. Now here what is given? The hit rate of the L1 cache, that is H1, that is 0.9. We need to find out hit rate of the L2 cache. Access time also T of L2. And access time of the T main memory is 2 into as per part 1. So we now know that EMAT thing is TL1 1 minus H1 into TL2 plus miss penalty. So for the EMAT to remain same, we can set the equal to EMAT of the original design, which we will assume to be 1. So 1 equal to 0.95 into TL1 plus 0.05 into T main memory. So T main memory is 2 into TL2, so 1 equal to 0.95 TL1, 2 into TL2, 1 into 0.95 TL1, 0.1 TL2. So we know that the TL1 is the access time of the L1 cache and H1 is the hit rate of the L1 cache. So we can conclude that TL2 using the formula here, 1 minus 0.95 TL1 by 0.1, and we can calculate L2 and achieve the required value in the EMAT. And last one is see the actual access time of the L2 cache is L1 by 10 and the remaining memory. Okay, so in this case see TL2 is 1 by 10 into T main memory. Substituting these values into the B part, which I have already calculated, you can get back to the previous part of this class. T main memory, so 1 equal to 0.95 TL1, 0.01 T main memory, 1 equal to 0.95 TL1 into 2 into TL2. Now we can solve H2 using this given hit rate and directly find the value and solve for the H2 as well.